Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga, post ng Netflix sa Instagram, sabi, the cast of Contrabida Academy is here to tell you the A to Z's of teleseries we love. Siguraduhin po lang na you can keep up. Ay wow, ang suplado. Anyway, let's watch this video. Ayun na nga.
A is for api.
B is for bida.
Pumalak pa kayo.
C is for...
Ang taray talaga nung post tayo ni Barbie, na gusto ko yun. B is for bida. Hindi, yung yung pumalakpak kayo, yun yung gusto ko. Grabe. Ayos na ayos yung kontrabida. Kaya sana sana magka-collab yung ABS-CBN tsaka Jamie. Tapos kunin siyang kontrabida ni Catherine, diba? Grabe. Ang bongga nun. Labanan ng ng mga... Sabagay, mas A-lister kasi talaga si Catherine kasi marami siyang hit movies eh. Sorry guys, no. Alam ko marami tayong Barbie fans dito, no. Or Barbie fans, pero oo, no. Mas lamang talaga yung sa channel 2 kasi nga hit movie yung isa sa basihan talaga ng pagiging A-lister. Anyway, going back, baka sumakit yung loob sa akin ng ibang mga fans, no. Sorry naman. Anyway, going back, ito na nga si Yasser Mata.
Confession.
D is for death skinny.
E is for extras. Bakit sila? Bakit hindi Eugene? Mga extra.
Grabe. Baka pinag-usapan kasi mga extra, no?
Yeah. Kasama namin sila sa mundong ito para mas maging credible ang mga eksena.
F is for forbidden love.
Ginagamit ba dito sa mundo nyo yung salitang crush?
Ang cute ni Jameson dun, no? Oh, diba? Grabe, perfect na perfect yung mukha niya, no? Tapos may dimples pa. Yee, grabe. Ay, nako, ewan ko sa'yo, Jameson.
G is for gratuitous English.
H is for habula.
Ano daw? Gratuitous English? Pinahirapan pa tayo.
Habulin si Mauricia! I is for iyakan.
I will miss you. Ipaghihiganti kita.
J is for justice.
K is for
Kontrabida.
walang bida kung walang
Kontrabida!
L is for
Liar! I love it!
M is for mistress.
N is for niloloko mo lang ako!
Anong bagay sa'yo?
O is for
P is for parental guidance.
Mama mo, kumakain ng kalapate. Q is for quotable quotes.
maganda ka na sana, humarap ka pa.
R is for revenge.
S is for
Yung tubig sa ilong, yun. Napa-informative nun. Grabe.
sampal.
Ay, ay.
Sakit! Pero, very good.
T is for tawa ng nagwagi.
U is for
Unexpected romance.
Ay, wow, may pa ganun. Barson, grabe. Unexpected romance nga, no? Ay, wow, ang cute doon. Ang cute doon. Grabe, kukunin ko nga yun. Gawa kayo video edit, no? Grabe.
Is for versatile.
W is for walang yawa!
X is for Cyril, my seductive daughter.
Y is
Oo nga. Si Cyril Manabat na may bumper.
for yaman.
Z is for zoo! Kasi mga hayop kayong lahat! Watch Contrabida Academy.
Now playing only on Netflix.
You and me, we are going to be a team.
I love the laugh. Grabe, I super love this movie, no? Sana ano siya, magtagal ng mga 6 months sa sa top 10 ng Netflix. Grabe. Ay nako, I so love it. At saka sana magkaroon ng acting award, no? Sana manalo ng Best Actress si Barbie dito. Grabe. Anyway, next. Yan nga, Netflix. At next naman ay ayan na nga, yung kay Novi Ricate. Ito yung interview niya kay Miss Eugene Domingo at Barbie Fortesa. Ito nga yung End, Defend, at saka Befriend yata. Yung mga iconic characters ni Miss Eugene Domingo. Let's watch this.
Hear it from Marisha herself.
Nakikita niyo pa ba ako? Kasi ng color.
Actually, nagagasgas nga rin yung mukha ko.
Hi loves, let's play and defend or befriend at Contrabida with Gigi and Marisha featuring Eugene Domingo's iconic characters.
Hindi ko gusto yan.
We have Kimmy Godong Hay from Kimmy Dora. We have Ate Baby from And the Breadwinner Is. And last, of course, we have Marisha from Contrabida Academy. So, sino ang i-end mo, i-defend mo, at i-befriend mo? Well, let's hear it from Marisha herself.
Nakikita niyo pa ba ako? Kasi ng color.
Actually, nagagasgas nga rin yung mukha ko.
Ang tas-tas kasi na color, pati kasi iba ba? Grabe.
Ladies ko lang. Actually, the three of them, Kimmy Godong Hay, pangalawa is Ate Baby.
Ate Baby.
And pangatlo si Mauricia. All of those three gorgeous women.
Sexy, voluptuous.
You said it. I will, of course, defend them.
Why?
Of course. I know them. And I think these women, they have the power.
Yes.
So, let's defend the powerful.
Ang course
Yes, I love that.
Tama.
Yes.
Basta right, ha? And just.
Walang ganun.
Bakit hindi right at just?
Okay, basta
Kontrabida
powerful.
nga,
Okay,
Barbie.
noted.
Yun ang, kasi, kaya ko nga sila dinedefend. They're always right.
Okay.
Gaslight!
Hindi tayo batas ng API, kontrabida tayo.
Keep girl boss!
Okay.
Nami-misinterpret lang.
True. And hopefully we will have an insight to Marisha's character here in Contrabida, which our viewers can stream only on Netflix. So,
Ikaw, alam mo yan, nakinabang ka sa mga insights ni Mauricia. Alam mo yan.
Yes. Pero, never kaming naging magkaibigan yung character kasi ni Gigi.
Oh.
So, talagang i-end ko siya, si Mauricia. Siya yung pinakamasama. Ang i-befriend ko, si Kimmy Godong Hay. Tapos ang i-defend ko si Ate Baby. Kasi tama naman lahat ng kanyang pangangaral kay Nene. Diba?
Kay Barbie.
Kay Barbie.
so please invite our viewers to learn from the mother of all Contrabidas. Please invite them to watch Contrabida Academy on Netflix.
Wait no longer. Please don't miss and watch many times and magkaroon kayo ng watch party. This is Contrabida Academy. This is the best, the biggest offering of Netflix this year.
Yes, directed by the one and only Chris Martinez, now playing only on Netflix.
Ayun na nga, streaming now on Netflix, September 11. At next, ayun na nga, post ni Christian Antolin, POB, teacher mo si Zara Diskaya sa subject na Contrabida. For more Contrabida tips, manood ka. Showing na ang Contrabida Academy only on Netflix. That's why.